Hello everyone, this is Shahid. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use TubeBuddy and what are the use of that TubeBuddy extension. It's a Google extension. So to add the extension, go to your Google Chrome and then click here and go to the settings. After clicking on the settings, you have to go settings again on the left side, then click on extensions. When you go, you have to click on open Chrome Web Store. When you open it, you have to search here TubeBuddy. Okay, so here we got the TubeBuddy. You have to add it to Chrome, add extension. It is checking, still loading. TubeBuddy for YouTube has been added to Chrome. Manage your extensions by clicking extensions in the tools menu. Okay, great. So as the TubeBuddy extension has been added, let me show you what all you can see after adding. See here you can see TubeBuddy sign in required. Click here. So you will have to sign in with your Gmail ID which you're using on your YouTube. The same ID you have to log in here. So sign in with YouTube. So it'll take you to your channel and I'll click my channel, that is all in one. Yeah, so once it is done, allow. Okay, so TubeBuddy is logged in now. So now what is the use of this TubeBuddy? So when you click on a particular video, let's say this video, just pause it. So this is the video. This is what the TubeBuddy does. So it shows a video. It is called Videolytics. On the right side you will see the total views of this particular video and total comments and likes and dislikes for this particular video, and you will see the total views of this particular channel, how many total views has come on this particular channel for all the videos, and total subscribers. It is showing 14 subscribers here, and you will see here how many videos has been uploaded by this particular channel. You can see all of it all together on your right screen for every video you click. Let's say another video. Okay, so this is the another video. So here you can see 25.3 million views on this particular video, and total views are 29.7 million, and you can see the subscribers 87.3, and they have a Facebook like as well. What is this? This is like when you share this link to your Facebook page, your Facebook account, anywhere you share this link, and if somebody likes your Facebook page or a link which you have submitted on the Facebook, then those likes are also shown here. So you can see how many likes are there on this particular video on Facebook. So this is also you can see. So that's all. If you want to know anything else, you can just comment down below and let me know, and any suggestions for making any video, you can also let me know about that as well. So thank you so much. Subscribe to my channel and have a good day. Bye bye.